key.
Thank you, Tana. Okay, I have another question, okay? You know, in this social media era, these young kids are seeing lots of people without any clear source of income having so much money, right? You know, they're seeing people, they don't know how they're making the money, but they are big girls, big boys, and all of that. You are a social media entrepreneur. You are a social media influencer. So you understand this world. What would you say to these young children when someone comes to them and tell them, see, this one you are doing, you're wasting your time, or there's a quick way to make quick money? Do you get what I'm saying? I mean, there's one guy somewhere, or there's one baba somewhere, or let's go and do yahoo yahoo. What would you say? What's your word? Because you're in entertainment. You're not just in entertainment, you are successful in entertainment. What would you say to them? How do they handle that kind of situation?
It's a difficult one. Difficult in the sense that people believe what they see. I know you guys look at us on social media and you say, oh my God, she's so beautiful. She has this, she has that. He has this, he has that. Now, while some of them are genuine, I cannot tell you that, you know, everyone you see on social media is fake. But for the most part, it's not everything you see on social media that is real. I can take a picture right now. I will show you the editing app on my phone. I will edit the photograph. You will not believe I'm the one standing here or sitting here. You cannot believe everything you see on social media. Social media has created illusions. Now, if you don't understand me or anything I say, please feel free to raise your hands and ask me a question immediately. Social media has created illusions that has found its way deep into the hearts of young people. So young people do not believe in hard work anymore. Like I said, I'll give you snippets of my story. While I was going to secondary school, I don't know if any of you know the area called Ikotun Egbe. Do you know Ikotun Egbe? Can I see your hands up? Do you know the area Ikotun? Yes? No? Do you know Ikotun Egbe? Yes?
Do you know Ikotun Egbe?
You don't know Ikotun Egbe. You see? Right? Now you need to understand, for you not to know Ikotun, you need to understand the school that I went to. Far inside Idimo. I used to trek to school every single day and trek back. It was a distance. I don't know how to describe it, but maybe from here to maybe Allen Avenue. I will walk from my house to school every single day. What does that tell you? I didn't have a silver spoon. I didn't have parents that had millions and millions of naira in their accounts. Some of you here may be lucky to have parents that have money. Some of you may be like me, who wore one pair of shoes for 3 to 4 years. But all of those things don't define anyone. It didn't define me.
Yeah.
I worked hard. If I believed social media, I would not be where I am today. I focused on my craft. It's the difficult thing. Social media is a problem. It's a huge problem. But I stand here and I sit here and I tell every one of you, don't believe what you see on social media. What did I say? Don't believe everything you see on social media. It is called show business. They just show you what they want you to see so they can make money. That is all. Focus on who you are. Hard work pays. Consistency pays. You will make money. You will make a name. You will be successful. And your success will not go down. It will stay where it is meant to stay. What happens to social media is when you pretend and pretend and pretend and pretend and pretend, your money will finish. Then what happens? You can't pretend anymore. You will nosedive. You will nosedive. Don't believe everything you see on social media. Please.